the collagen I put in my coffee. I bought it in Live Good. Affordable price only. It's an organic collagen. It really makes me sleep well, my God. The collagen, I don't know, but I feel so sleepy all the time whenever I drink the collagen. With kamates, onion, and daing. Best breakfast. Add a bit of coffee. With matching hands. Kamay-kamay lang. Maulan kasi kaya masarap magdaing. Tapos yung mga nasunog, huwag na lang kainin kasi hindi yun good sa body. Grabe tayo pagkasunog niya. Grabe pagkasunog. Ay, pinipili ko na lang yung hindi nasunog. Naiwan ko kasi saglit. So, kasi pag niluto to, dapat mainit na yung oil and then soak it. And then put it in the oil. After that, switch off. Or